Hi guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Nick Savai and this is day 2 of my 50k account challenge. I'm still in the phase 1 and I would like to show you what have I done today, because basically I wasn't trading. The prime time session is the session when the market opens. For me it's 3:30, as I refer in the previous videos. Go and watch them if you haven't. But today I was like, I don't want to do a bad trade, and that is something that actually happened, and I'm quite proud on myself that I have avoided trading on, like, over trade. You understand it when you really want to trade, so you jump in to the situation that automatically goes to the opposite way and you start losing money. So I was like, okay, I don't want to do a bad trade today. Better I would not trade in case I wouldn't see a scenario that fits me. Basically, I did one trade in the prime time today that is -$5, which is like nothing. It was just bounce. In the moment that I have reached like my opening position, I was like, okay, this is totally nonsense. And it also happened like in the afternoon hours, like 17:53, which is something like hour and a half after the market opens. Okay, so today I have, do not worry, I will show you more, but I would like to tell you, guys, in days like this, today and Friday, those were kind of messed up days for trading. I will tell you why. I will tell you my thoughts on that. You can leave me a comment about what you think, but from my point of view, these days are not meant to be trading days. It's like, it's better not to trade in these days. So to the day 2 of my challenge, avoid bad days in trading. Avoid those bad trades. I have avoided them today, honestly. If you have a look on my balance and you watch previous video, you can see I have improved my balance. I'm still $230 in negative, but I was like 400 or 450, I don't remember. Okay, so basically I have improved the situation, but I have improved it during the UK session, because thanks to my time zone I can trade both UK and the US session, which I will be recording since the next week, morning and afternoon session. So hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of my trading content, because I'm going, I would say, full blast out with this. I really am excited for this challenge. I hope those my rules, or how to say it, I hope I will not break my rules. I'm breaking them, but in the good way. If you see the opportunity during the UK session or during the prime time, it's okay to take it. It's okay if I took 4 trades in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, and I was like, okay, that 1 trade I shouldn't do in the afternoon in the prime time. So basically I would avoid the prime time because there was nothing to trade, but I did 4 trades in the morning, which is great. That's something I think it's okay to do. Honestly, it's okay if I would do 4 trades in the morning and then 0 trades in the afternoon, and opposite, if I would do 0 trades in the morning and 3 trades in the afternoon, it's okay. Best would be, of course, do 1 trade that would be a giant profit, but it happened today. It maybe it will happen tomorrow, I do not know. But today it was very, very weird day, and Friday was also very weird day, and I would like to show you my thoughts, like I said. So let's hop in. First of all, the UK session. We are starting here, 28th. This is Friday. So small trades, like if you want, go and watch my previous video. I've shown then how I traded and why. And this is today. This was my opening. This wasn't that bad. This was a mistake. This was let me have a quick look. I need to go on a 5-minute scale. And we can do this. Trades on chart. Okay. So yeah, this is it. This is the trades I took. This is the first one, 10-10, 9-10. It's possible. This might be moved in a different time zone. 18. No, it's okay. So we should be here somewhere. 9:25. I don't know. Okay, doesn't really matter because I believe this was it. Was it? Let's go in a 1 minute frame. Where are we? Here. I think yeah, this is it. This is the first entry. This is what I have. This is my stop loss. I have been stopped out in this, and this is, I believe, the last trade I took, or from here to here. I think, I'm not sure. Anyway, it doesn't honestly matter. Basically, in the way I did 4 trades. If I wouldn't make this bad trade, I would be really positive today. It would be great. I would be something like $250. But hey, this happens, okay? But what I want to really show you is why we shouldn't trade in the days like this. If you have a look, UK wasn't that bad. I was kind of okay with the UK, but still, if you have a look, there's a big gap on this, like Friday closure, or this is it, Friday closure, Monday opening. It was like, I don't know, guys, weird from my point of view, very weird, but okay. So that's like, okay, but this is what I want to show you, this, okay? So why I didn't trade, oh yeah, the main trade was in NASDAQ, not the UK session, but on the NASDAQ. This was the main session I took in the NASDAQ, or this was the $160 I took here. And unfortunately, I have chickened out before the big drop, but I have waited. It was quite a nice trade. I have waited to break the barrier, and then we start dropping, or it start dropping, so it was quite nice. But like I said, unfortunately, I have chickened out in that trade. Okay, here's my entry. I went hold this, and this is where I was leaving. If I would hold it somewhere like here, I guess, or I think I have chickened out on the top of this, okay? If I would hold this, here was my take profit, $1,200 or something like that. It was like, I was like, okay, this is quite a big thing, and I believe that somewhere like, if I would hold it like here, it was $500. So that would be great. It would be beautiful trade. But never mind. Okay, I have entered here. I thought, okay, we will see how this will go, and we were dropping, and I left somewhere like, I don't know, maybe here, even here, I have left here the trade, you see, and this was the main drop. There was a reason. There was this type of zone that I was really scared. I was scared that we might bounce up from this, even though there is a fair value gap that should be fulfilled, but I didn't want to, jump from this part just to take my stop loss and get away, okay? But to the market. From my point of view, if you have a look on this, this is like nonsense, okay? Look at this, like giant drop and giant push up. I don't know, it's like, maybe it's just my feeling, but I don't feel comfortable in this like type of market. If you have a look on the 5 minutes frame that I'm showing right now, I have marked the lines, okay? We are not breaking the lines. If we are breaking, it's false breakout. Again, false breakout. This was quite interesting. This is the point where I could make a trade, but I wasn't at my computer by the time. I think I was sitting here for an hour and a half, and I said, okay, I'm not gonna sit here anymore or anything like this. Oh no, I was still at the computer, but I was trading US. Okay, oh yeah, I was on the US. So I missed this, okay? And this was one of the trades that was quite interesting, because we have break it, retrace, and break again and go down. So this was the only opportunity I saw on the NASDAQ. And I didn't take it because I was trading the US 30. But I really think that, guys, avoid days like this. This day, this is very similar what I have seen on Friday. And it's just like, it's a money taker, okay? You see this, it's all false breakouts, That's like, no, I just don't. Okay, no, just no. You can see that it's like, no. Definitely not in the market like this. This was destructive, I think. Okay, if anybody took the trade, you are great, much more better trader than me, and it's okay to. It's okay. I really am looking for what Brandon and Max were doing during this session, because I really, this was the only thing I saw in the Nasdaq, and I saw it late. And I also, it's the same with the US30. You see, there are some trend lines. We are still breaking them, going up and down. It's like, it's just going up and down. It's nonsense. From my point of view, it's nonsense. Okay. And I saw, and I missed the opportunity here. This was an opportunity. Well, because we have reached this level and we start bouncing up. So yeah, this was an opportunity in US30. If we are not counting that we went down, like, you know, extremely down the whole day just to fill the fair value gap. And you see this, it's like, it's always bouncing from one point to another. It's not breaking. If that breaks, it's a false breakout. It starts to reversing. Cannot trade this. This was, from my point of view, this was the fair trade. But okay, I will say it. If I'm not sure, I will not trade it. I think blowing 2 accounts is more than enough. I definitely don't want to blow a 3rd account. If you have an opportunity, you should take it. It doesn't mean you need to take every opportunity you see, because from my point of view, everything here was an opportunity. Okay, we are breaking out. Let's go. This is the point where I took the trade, the $5. I entered late. Okay, it's my mistake. I have entered the trade late. Okay, so every time you see this, it goes up, it's false breakout, it starts reversing. Maybe somebody took the chance. Okay, it will reverse. It's doing that whole day, and I will short it here, take it here, or buy it here, take it here. Maybe I didn't. I was hoping for an easier market conditions. This, from my point of view, was kind of hard to trade. That's why I didn't trade it. The morning, the UK session was much more easier, honestly, today. And you can see it was like dropping, only dropping. That was okay. But I'm not able to, you know, like sell it here or something like that. No, I'm not. It's not possible for me to keep an eye on everything that is happening on the charts. So right now you can see the UK is doing the same. It has a drop down and it has bounced, and we will see what will be happening. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that in the markets like this, I think it's okay not to trade this, because let's be honest, this is only taking the stop losses. Okay, also like fake breakouts. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This. Okay, so, and it was happening even here. Unlike here, this was just pure drop. This was just like pure rise up. This is not a market for noobs like me. Okay, I will say it out loud. This is not a market for noobs like me. So if you are a noob like me and you didn't trade, okay, let's congrats to each other. If you have lost money today, don't hang up, because today, I think Friday and today was really hard markets to trade. That's what I think. Tell me, what do you think about it? If you make money, congratulations guys, because this was like, okay, playing on hardcore from my point of view. So yeah, that's it I have for you today. I am a step closer to be on my 50,000 that I was starting with, but let's hope for a better market conditions tomorrow. And thank you for watching this. Really appreciate it. Thank you for watching this, and I will see you in the next video, more or less tomorrow, I guess. So thank you. Hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, leave me a like if you like it, and bye.